So this is an explanatory video for how to use the IPA keyboard app, program, whatever it is. So the first thing that you want to do, this is all assuming that you have already installed the program. So the first thing that you're going to want to do is to open up the IPA keyboard. So I'm just hitting Windows and then typing IP, and then you can see it comes up. So I'm just hitting Enter. And it comes up and you see there's this QR code. So I'm getting my phone and I'm scanning that QR code. You see it scanned. There's this code that it has. So I'm going to hit copy. I don't know how it works on other QR code scanners, but you should be able to copy it. So it's copied to clip tray or whatever it says. So then I am going to go over in Google Chrome or whatever browser you want. It doesn't matter. So this is the website. I'm already logged in because I tried to do this earlier and it didn't work. So I'm going to hit relog in or log out. It doesn't matter. They're actually exactly the same thing. In key, so I click there, and then I'm going to hold down and hit paste and then log in. And it'll reload and it'll say log out, relog in, so you know it's working. And now I'm going to put my phone down and switch windows. So if you're in this window, basically this window with the QR code, basically nothing will happen. But if you just click out, so now I am in this this text editor, and if I go and get my phone again, and I just press a button, come on, there we go. So it shows up there. So I press this upside down R, and I got an upside down R there. If I press the upright R, that's just the normal letter R key, but like. And if I go down here or something, I can type some weird characters. And if I go to, if I can type my first name in IPA. So I will type that is not the first letter, the first character in my name. Frick, where is it? There. Come on. It's really hard to do this. And then I can go down here to this stuff. It's labialized. For me, it's pretty much just a monophthong. And then, for me at least, it's a syllabic N. So, there's N, and it is, come on, it is syllabic. Where is the syllabic symbol? This is a lot easier. There we go, syllabic. So there's my first name in IPA. You should probably put brackets around it, which you can do on your normal keyboard. And then when you are done, you go back to here, and you just hit, oh, and also you can see like whether it's working. It shows the character, that most recent character that you've typed here, and changes the background color. So, but when you're done, you can just close that.